Hi everyone and welcome back. I've had so much fun looking at all things transport this week. We've had a look at trains, big trucks and cars. Oh, and today I think we're going to look at all things that fly. We might be looking at some planes or some helicopters or even rockets that go all the way to space.
Hi, I'm Robbie. Hi, I'm Susie.
Hi, I'm Miss Carly, the teacher. It's time for
Hometime
with Robbie and Susie.
I have hands.
I have hands.
Watch me clap.
Watch me clap.
Oh, what a miracle am I. I have feet.
I have feet.
Watch me stand.
Watch me stand.
Oh, what a miracle am I. Oh, what a miracle. Oh, what a miracle. Every little part of me. I'm something special, so very special. There's nobody quite like me. I have arms.
I have arms.
Watch me swing.
Watch me swing.
Oh, what a miracle am I have legs.
I have legs.
They can bend and stretch.
They can bend and stretch.
Oh, what a miracle am I. Oh, what a miracle. Oh, what a miracle. Every little part of me. I'm something special, so very special. There's nobody quite like me. I have a spine.
I have a spine.
It can twist and bend.
It can twist and bend.
Oh, what a miracle am I have a 1 foot.
I have a 1 foot.
Watch me balance.
Watch me balance.
Oh, what a miracle am I. Oh, what a miracle. Oh, what a miracle. Every little part of me. I'm something special, so very special. There's nobody quite like me. There's nobody quite like me.
All right, do you know what? I know a great song about 5 little men that fly in their flying saucer all the way up into space. Would you like to sing with me? Show me your 5 fingers. 5 little men in a flying saucer flew around the earth one day. They looked left and looked right, but they didn't like the sight, so one of them flew away. Or if one of them flew away, I think we've only got how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little men in a flying saucer flew around the earth one day. They looked left, they looked right, but they didn't like the sight, so one of them flew away. Oh, one more's gone. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3. 3 little men in a flying saucer flew around the earth one day. They looked left and looked right, but they didn't like the sight, so one of them flew away. Oh, I think we've only got 2 men left. Ready? 2 little men in a flying saucer flew around the earth one day. They looked left and looked right, but they didn't like the sight, so one of them flew away. Oh, we're down to our last little man. 1 little man in a flying saucer flew around the earth one day. He looked left and looked right, but he didn't like the sight, so he then flew away. Thank you so much for singing along that song. I wonder where the little men went. Oh, do you know what? I think Anna's got a great book about something that might fly up in the sky. Let's go have a look.
Thank you so much for that song about our flying saucers. Now I actually have a book about a space shuttle and it blasts off into space. Would you like to read it with me? Come along. It's called Space Shuttle Blast Off. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look, here is the space shuttle blasting off into space. Space Shuttle is on the launch pad at the Space Center. The tank and rocket boosters are full of fuel. Here's the big tank and the rocket boosters. Wow. We're going to collect a broken satellite, says Commander Mandy. When the astronauts are strapped in, the ground crew locks the shuttle door in the control room and the countdown begins. Here they are in here. Look, they've got their number ready. Number 10. Let's see what happens. 10, 9, 8. The astronauts do their last checks. Everything is working fine. All systems go, says Commander Mandy. Prepare for liftoff. 6, 5, 4. Commander Mandy starts the main engines. Whoa, look at all those instruments are inside the shuttle. Maximum power, shouts Commander Mandy. 3, 2, 1, and lift off! With a terrific blast, Space Shuttle rises from the launch pad. It's got the launch pad here holding it nice and straight, but it doesn't need it anymore because the big jetpacks are pushing it up high. Space Shuttle roars higher and higher. Soon it is high above the ocean. Release the rocket blasters, shouts Commander Mandy. Where are they going to go? Check, says co-pilot Andy, flipping a switch. The empty rocket boosters fall away, then splash down into the sea. A ship is waiting to collect them. Smart, isn't it? Not putting extra rubbish in our oceans. What's happening next? The crew can see the Earth below as the space shuttle flies into space. Release the full fuel tank, orders Commander Mandy. The empty fuel tank burns up as it tumbles back to the Earth. What? There's none of it left. Commander Mandy steers Space Shuttle into orbit around the Earth. Look, that must be the broken satellite, says co-pilot Andy. Let's go see. Space Shuttle moves into position below the satellite. Commander Mandy opens the cargo doors. Co-pilot Andy moves a joystick to control the robot arm. See how they don't even get out. They're just sitting here in the front and the robot arm picks up the satellite. Where's it going next? Carefully does it, says Commander Mandy. The arm grips the satellite and pulls it into the cargo bay. What a weird satellite, says Commander Mandy. The crew prepare to close the cargo doors. Suddenly, they hear a strange sound. Knock, knock. Where could that be coming from? Maybe the cargo doors are stuck, says Commander Mandy. I'll go outside and look. It's spacewalk time. Oh my goodness. She gets to put on her astronaut gear and go outside. Let's see what happens. Commander Mandy puts on her spacesuit and helmet. The shuttle doors open and she floats into space. She comes face to face with an alien. You've got my spaceship, says the alien. Let us go or my children will be late for school on Mars. Whoops, sorry, says Commander Mandy. We thought you were a satellite. Space Shuttle releases the alien spaceship. Thanks, Earthlings, says the alien. Next stop, Mars. All the way up there. Zoo! The spaceship lifts, flies off. The astronauts soon spot the real broken satellite. They load it into the cargo bay and close the cargo doors. Click! Mission accomplished, says Commander Mandy. Space Shuttle glides back down to Earth and lands with a gentle bump and rolls to a halt. The crew transporter collects the crew. Hold on, who's that? Oh, have they got someone extra? It's a stowaway alien. Space Shuttle is more fun than school, she says. Oh no, sighs Commander Manny. Space Shuttle to blast off again. Gonna have to go take the alien back. Let's look at the Space Shuttle. Here it is. There's the rudder. This is the vertical flap on the tail. The main engines. The elevons, or the flaps on the wings. The delta wing. The rocket boosters help you go nice and high fast. The fuel tank, look how much fuel is in that big tank. This is where the crew are in the crew module or the flight deck. Here is the cargo bay and the cargo doors that went click. And this is the vertical stabilizer tail. Let's see what other space vehicles there are. This is the shuttle carrier aircraft. Sometimes they can bring the shuttle back down to Earth, or sometimes the aircraft can take the shuttle up nice and high. This is the crawler transporter, and this is the fuel tank, and look how tiny that panda bear is. That's how big that fuel tank is. Imagine how much fuel burns up to go all the way up to the moon. And this is a crew transporter. This is how the crew safely get from the shuttle to the big frame or back to the Earth. Well, thank you so much for listening to my story. It was pretty amazing. An alien came all the way to Earth. I wonder if it's true. Do you know what else they saw when they were in space? They saw Mars, which is a big star, and they saw lots and lots of twinkly stars. Do you know the song that I'm thinking of? Yeah. Get your stars ready. Here we go. Ready. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Do you think we can sing it louder? Okay, let's do it again. Get our twinkles. Are they twinkling bright? And remember, we need a diamond shape, pointy at both ends. Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Wow, thank you so much for singing that with me. Do you know what? My friend Georgia is going to make a rocket ship. Would you like to come with me and do that together? Let's go.
Wow, Anna, thank you so much for that story. And you're right, I am going to make a rocket with you guys today. So, we've got a few little bits that we've collected, and you might be able to find them at home too. So today I'm going to be using a paper towel roller holder, yep, for my rocket. I've got a few pieces of paper to decorate. I am going to be using some scissors, so you might like to get an adult to help you with that. And I might even decorate with some textures and crepe paper. All right, oh, I forgot my sticky tape. All right, so I'm gonna start with this piece of paper and I'm gonna wrap it around my rocket. Oh, wrong way. You might like to help me, Anna.
That might be when you need some sticky tape.
Yes.
Here we go.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so we've stuck that round, but you might like to decorate it with textures or paint. We just chose paper today. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to make is the big cone to put on the top of the rocket.
So it can shoot up high.
Yeah, sounds great. So I'm going to get my other piece of paper and some scissors and cut a nice big circle. Cut, cut, cut. Keep cutting.
Doing a great job.
Now I've used green paper, but you might like to use yellow or white, whatever you've got. So after I've cut my circle, I'm gonna cut a little strip halfway across. Oh, and this part could get tricky, so I'm gonna need your help again, Anna. I'm going to twist, 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 and make it like a cone.
Tape it on.
Oh, it's a bit tricky. Perfect. How do you think we'll be able to get it on the top, Anna? Do you think we might need some more tape? I think we
How
might.
do we do that? Do we do it, fold the tape in half, put it around like this, and then tape it on again?
Ready? Push it down.
Oh.
All right. Oh, perfect. That looks great. I might draw some windows on my rocket.
Good idea.
Okay, we're gonna draw some nice little windows all the way so that the people in the rocket can wave as they're blasting up into space. Oh, okay. What else do you think our rocket might need, Anna?
Well, in mine, the shuttle had some wings. Can we use some paper for the wings?
Oh, that sounds like a great idea. We might get some.
Can we bring the paper over here?
Oh,
and have
yeah,
a little
of
look?
course.
Thank you. Let's see what we can find in here. Oh, these look like some good wings too. You could use that one if you wanted, but these could be the small rutters. They're nice and small. You could put them at the back, maybe.
Sounds perfect. Okay, where are we going to put those ones, Anna?
Should we put one here, maybe? Like this. If
Yeah.
I fold it a little bit, you can put it. That's it.
That's one.
And
Okay.
I'm not sure, Georgia. What do you think?
Oh, I think maybe one more
Over
on the
there?
other side.
Okay, I'll get the sticky tape. You hold it
Okay.
where you'd like to put it.
Oh, I think just there.
Perfect. Looking good.
Wow, this is looking really great.
Do you know what it needs? Some fire.
I think it needs fire too, Anna. What a great idea. Ooh, maybe some blue flames as well, because I think the rocket gets
hot.
really hot. Yeah,
I'll put these ones in and then you can put the next ones in. How about that?
sounds good. Oh, look, I've got some red, blue, yellow flames.
Do you have sticky tape?
Oh, thank you. Now I'm gonna stick it down. Oh, wow.
On the inside, Georgia?
Good plan. Wow, Anna, I think that rocket's gonna go really high up into the sky.
I think so. Do you know, Georgia, that on our YouTube today, there's a link below of some real astronauts going into space, because this is people's jobs, to go all the way up into space and to investigate. So if you would like to have a look at some of those, you can click the link below and you can see some real astronauts today. It's been so much fun learning about astronauts with you today, Georgia. Thank you for coming along with us, and thank you for joining us. We hope to see you next time.